Firstly, you will need IRFZ44N Mosfet. Now connect 220 ohm resistor to drain pin of MOSFET. And LED's negative pin with resistor. You will need 33 kilo ohm resistor, but I don't have that, so I have made 3 10 kilo ohm resistor in series. Connect one side of resistor with LED's positive pin. And other side of resistor with MOSFET gate pin. Now our circuit is almost ready. Now we will connect battery terminals to this circuit. Battery's positive pin to the LED's positive pin. And negative terminal of battery to MOSFET source pin. Circuit is almost ready. We will connect a wire between gate and source pin. You have made it.